Hello students, welcome to today's physical education class. In our previous class, we have already discussed about the effects of exercise and benefits of regular training on skeletal systems. Today, we are going to discuss about muscular systems. Okay, the topic is from chapter 3, effects of physical exercise and training on human body systems. Students, first we know what is muscles, then we know type or classification of muscles. Now, first we discuss what is muscles. A muscles is such group of tissue of the body which primarily function as a source of power through contraction and erection. Okay, the human body contains around 650 individual muscles which provide pulling power so that you can move around. Muscular tissues constitute 40 to 50% of the body weight of an individual. Okay, next, classification of muscles on their basis of their function and physical appearance and location. There are three types. First, skeletal muscles, second, smooth muscles, third, cardiac muscles. Now come to first point, skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles attach to our skeleton on its upper surface. For example, chest muscles, back muscles, bicep muscles, tricep muscles, shoulder muscles, leg muscles, abdominal muscles, etc. Okay, all are the example of skeletal muscles. Next, attached to our bones with the help of tendon. Tendon is a one type of connective tissue which joins bone and muscles. It helps to movement of our body part. That means walking, bending, etc. It happens through skeletal muscles. Okay, muscles are also called voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles in nature. Voluntary muscles which is in our control it. It helps to move of our body part. Okay, and it also called striped muscles. Okay, it controlled by somatic nervous systems. Okay, next, number 2, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles is one type of muscle which is found inside the skeleton. These smooth muscles not visible on our upper body surface. Smooth muscle of our internal organs are made of smooth muscles. These muscles found in our urinary bladder, gallbladder, arteries and veins. This digestive tract is also made of smooth muscles. These muscles are controlled by the nervous systems and hormones. Okay, these muscles are also called involuntary muscles because involuntary muscles which is not in our control, that's why it is involuntary. And the next is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are found in our heart. These muscles are totally different types of muscles. It has unique properties. It is neither straight nor straight. That's why in this muscle are also called branch straight muscles. Okay, these are stripes in these muscles as in voluntary muscles. See this picture. First one is skeletal muscles, second smooth muscles, and third cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are involuntary and have little or no capacity for regeneration. Cardiac muscles are involuntary in nature because which is not in our control. That's why it is involuntary in nature. Okay. Classification of muscles. First one is skeletal muscles. Physical training or physical activity, workout, running, sit up, weight training to improve our skeletal muscles. And cardiac muscles means cardiovascular exercise, means long distance run, weight lifting, all are to improve our cardiac muscles. Okay. After watching this video, you should at last have a basic understanding of muscular systems and structural classification of muscles. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.